Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
It's back in the original spot. But I bought it back clean and with new wheels and tire shine on and blacked out badges and lowering springs and Roush Axleback exhaust. Holy cow, man, how did I score this? Oh yeah, and an off-road H-pipe. This thing sounds pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty stoked. No, I'm just kidding. This is the new owner. Same dude who you guys usually see who owns my old Honda Civic. If you guys know about that, that is some OGs right there. Here's the 2-valve that I have been working on lately, and you guys know what I've been doing from the last video. That is now supercharged. Everything is hooked up. Everything is done. Only thing that I am working on right now. But me and my dad are tuning this now. How am I doing that, you may ask? I purchased a standalone ECU. It's a megasquirt MS3 Pro. Time to plug this bad boy in. And there she is. ECU's hooked up. Gotta run the vacuum for the map, and that's it. And I'm just gonna cover this back up. I think I fried another AFR sensor or wideband sensor. Yeah. Oh, I don't care. Go ahead and start it, Mike. Let's hear it. Oh yeah.
Solid.
Pretty good. I dig it.
Just Mustang thing.
Let's go get some food.
It's dirty in here.
Yeah, it is. Jesus. You're catfish, all right, aren't you? Outside's clean, inside not.
Exactly. It's a catfish.
Got the bag secured. You know we got the Lord's chicken right here. The Lord's chicken.
Amen.
Yeah, preach. Mike, in a very vulnerable position right now.
I know. Don't take advantage of me.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see how long this damn resonator is. It's about 14. But it stays straight a little bit further back, so we have to cut extra to be fine.
Okay. All right, well, let's just, better to get more pipe than not enough, you know?
I get plenty of pipe.
Yeah, you do. Get in the truck, big boy. How the hell? You the pin out. Pull that pin out. Yeah. He's gonna need. He's good. Well, my car's still idling, which is good news. Idle. I don't know if you guys can hear it right now, but it kind of whistles from that supercharger. First time on the lift. My old car on my lift. Oh, man. I just can't get away from working on this car, can I?
Never. So excited.
By the way, he's filming a video for his channel. Check him out. Want to plug yourself?
Mikey Thick with 2 seats.
I think you got a slight exhaust leak, dude.
I think it's fine.
The good thing we're under here. We can we'll patch that up with some JB Weld.
No, these are my cutouts. I tie a piece of twine around it and have a little pulley and quiet it down.
Okay. Yeah. It acts like a switch. You have it run through your window.
Yeah.
That's
exactly.
cool. That's a good idea.
Just pull it with a piece of twine.
Find my
Alright, just a quick update. I had to put down the camera for a while because I had to do some welding and other shit, but that's the finished product. Got rid of the old resonators, which there's one right there. Just welded in some 2.5-inch pipe from AutoZone, honestly. It turned out pretty good. Welds turned out pretty decent too. So yeah, Mike actually filmed most of my welding if you want to check out that on his channel.
I'll send you some clips.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good. We're gonna do a little startup here. That thing might be louder than my car. Oh, man. Oh, it sounds good. Listen to that. Jesus, stop it. Woo! That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Oh, just go to AutoZone and get yourself some 2.5-inch straight pipe, and you can make your car sound just like this. Alright, well, goodbye, Ford ECU. I'm kidding, I'm not going to throw that away. I could use that. Well, actually, fuck it, I'm going to throw it away because it's Ford.